Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Peace Kunkpe and I am from the Diet Trend Center group. Today I'll be talking to you on nutrition and the immune system. That is how nutrition or the food we eat influences or relates to the immune system. The immune system is a complex network of various pathways in the body which protect our body from the harmful effect of certain microorganisms which are foreign to the body and may cause infections or certain diseases. The immune system is able to recognize foreign substances upon entrance in the human body, and it takes immediate action. The action of the immune system against foreign substances, which could be certain bacteria, viruses, or parasites, could be in two ways. It could be the immune system producing antibodies to fight these foreign substances and prevent their action, or the immune system could make use of its protective barriers such as the skin, enzymes, and mucus to prevent these microorganisms from even entering the body in the first place. So now, the immune system is not just influenced by our diet. Yes, we all know that we have so many people selling certain foods and they make a claim that it boosts the immune system. Yes, the diet or our food has a role to play when it comes to the immune system or when it comes to the strength of the immune system. But our diet is not the only factor to consider when it comes to the immune system. Okay, so certain factors also influence the immune system. Certain lifestyle factors like how much sleep we get, how well we exercise, how well we stay away from certain things that are not good for us, like smoking and alcohol. Yeah, so some of these things also influence the immune system, and so our diet is not the only factor to consider when it comes to the immune system. Moving on, one may ask that what is really the relationship between the food we eat and the immune system, that how really that the food influence the strength of the immune system. I would like to say that yes, the food has a role to play in ensuring that the immune system is strong and healthy and ready to fight foreign invaders or foreign substances. But a single food like rice or a particular fruit, a particular vegetable cannot on its own improve the immune system. Okay, so a single fruit or food can do the job, but our diet as a whole can help improve the strength of the immune system, and this is what I would like to elaborate on. You see, in time past, when there is an outbreak of an infection, the people in those days sought for some specific foods that they believed to be nutrient rich and they thought could boost the immune system, and then they gave these foods to the ill people at that time, and they saw that they recovered. For example, this was how vitamin C was discovered. Yes, through an experiment. So what actually is the case is that, as I mentioned earlier, it is not the single food that ensures that the person recovers or the healing is done, but it is the nutrients in the food, the special components of the food, which are the nutrients that acts and helps to ensure that the immune system is the strength of the immune system is improved. So we know that for every organ or system in the body, it is the basic unit of that organ or the basic unit of that system that functions to help the organ achieve its purpose. So for the immune system, it is the immune cells that must function. If the immune cells are not functioning right, then you will not achieve the overall goal or purpose of the immune system. Its role in the body will not be effective. And so we know that we all have our daily nutrient requirements. We are to eat adequately, you are to eat a balanced diet, you are to eat a varied diet in order to meet our daily nutrient needs. When we are able to meet our daily nutrient needs, then we are able to provide all the basic units, which are the cells, all the cells in the body, with all that they need to function properly, to ensure that everything is working well in the body. So when we deprive our body of nutrients, and some nutrients are essential, and when we deprive our body of these nutrients, then our cells will not be functioning well, because our cells depend on these nutrients to play their roles. Yes, so once we are able to meet our daily nutrient needs, then we'll be able to say that yes, our cells are working, and also our immune system will be able to work well. Concerning supplements, nutrient supplements, they are good. It is good that they are available to us, but I would like to say that it is not every individual that should just get up and go for supplements. Yes, we are supposed to go for whole fruits, whole foods that have lots of fiber. Go for fruits and vegetables that are rich in micronutrients. I mean, eat whole foods, whole grains, and less of refined or processed foods. Yes, for nutrient supplements, they are made available for special conditions. So for a pregnant woman or a woman who is preparing to be pregnant, you definitely need more iron, more folic acid, yes, in preparation or during pregnancy, because your nutrient requirements for those nutrients are higher. And this also applies to people having other health conditions. So unless it is recommended, you're not supposed to take a nutrient supplement. Yes, so instead of going for supplements, you should go for whole foods. Some important nutrients that help to really ensure that the immune cells are working well include vitamin C, vitamin D, selenium, zinc, protein, and the amino acid glutamine. These nutrients are found in a wide range of foods, both animal and plant foods. And so once you ensure that you eat a varied diet, when I say a varied diet, a diet that has various food from various food groups. So in your plate you could have vegetables like kontomire, carrots, green pepper, and you have rice or yam. So you are not only eating rice, you are not only eating yam and yam, and yeah, so you just ensure that you take a wide spread of fruits in your meal, so that you can get all the various nutrients in these foods. So your diet should also be balanced. When I say balanced diet, it's a diet that has the right proportion. So half of your plate should be fruit and vegetables. You should have carbohydrates there, and you should have protein, and you should also have fat in there. And take lots of water. It will really help you. So to bring this session to an end, I'd like to talk about what you can do to improve the strength of your immune system. So I'm a nutritionist, therefore I'm gonna start with the diet. So eat a balanced diet, eat a varied diet. Eat a diet that will help you meet your daily nutrient needs. Talk to your nutritionist to help you know what foods to include and how you should proportion your food on how to meet your nutrient needs. Yes. Also, to improve your immune system, you should um have enough rest or sleep. You should have between 7 to 9 hours of sleep on a daily basis. You have a moderate regular exercise. So yes, it could be walking, it could be skipping. Yes, a moderate exercise to keep your body active. Yeah, and also avoid smoking and alcohol and taking alcohol. You should not go for these because they are not good for the body. And also try and manage whatever stress you might be facing. So do something you love, something that makes you happy, and keep every stress out of your life, because a sound mind makes a sound body. Yes, and also try as much as possible to keep a hygienic environment. Make sure you wash your palms like throughout the day, because we keep touching things all around, touch our hair, go to the doorknob, and a whole lot of things are there that we touch. And so it is very important that we stay away from things that can contaminate our hands, and also try and wash our hands often during the day, because our hands is one way that these bacteria can easily access our body. And even in this COVID era, we are now very well educated about hand washing. And so yeah, I know you are doing just that. And so we want to keep ourselves safe and healthy, and want to avoid COVID and avoid every other infection. So infection stop with us, COVID-19 stop with us. Thank you very much.